Video recording for software training is a trap. You record, you narrate, you edit, and then the moment the UI changes or someone tweaks the process, you're starting all over. Tango's latest feature, Video Embeds, solves that challenge. Now, Tango creators can turn any workflow into a watchable, video-style embed that viewers watch just like they would a regular video, with play and pause and speed adjustment and clickable timelines. No video recording, no scripting, and no editing is required. And the best part, when you edit your workflow, the video automatically updates anywhere the video is posted. Let me show you how it works. I'm Mark, let's Tango. So this is a Tango workflow I already built. I used Tango's Chrome extension, and I just clicked through my process as I normally would, and Tango created my step-by-step guide for me with screenshots, titles, and descriptions. Now, to share this as a video embed, I click the share button and select embed, and now I see a new option to generate video. I can copy the embed code to directly embed in my knowledge base, wiki, Notion, or any other platform and pages that support iframes, or I can click preview the video. Here, you can preview and customize your video. You can turn narration on or off and select from 2 different voices. Voice narration can also be turned on or off for an entire workspace by a workspace admin. You can also select if you want step descriptions during playback, change the size and appearance, and select from a list of tools and platforms to embed your video. You can preview your video by pressing the play button on the video, and when you're ready, just click the copy embed button in the bottom left and you're ready to go. You can even edit this video the same way you edit any Tango workflow. If you need to simply reorder a step or your user interface changes, just update the workflow and the video automatically updates wherever it's embedded. Video embeds are available on Pro and Enterprise plans today. If you already have workflows built, you're 1 click away from your first training video. If you're new, you can try Tango for free using the link in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Tango tutorials. I'm Mark, let's Tango.